What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys what are some rookie mistakes that a new beginner makes once he starts working on the Freshsales CRM. So for that, just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. By the way, I have attached the link to the Freshsales CRM platform in the link description. Make sure you guys check it out. So the number one mistake that every rookie makes is that it duplicates the data once it uploads. So it just copy pastes the data from their spreadsheet, upload it without adding any custom field tags, and upload it right over here. So there can be multiple data, but if you're working on the Freshsales CRM platform, it works as good as your data. So what you put in is what's gonna come out as outcome. So stop putting all the information, all the data, unnecessary data, duplicate data that is not even you know gonna help you out in the longer run. So once you create the data, but there will be custom fields that you would like to add in your contact form. So for that, you have to go to the admin side and then lead contact center accounts. In here, go to the contacts option, and once you go there, you'll be able to add a custom fields. For example, just go ahead and add custom fields to make sure that your data is more specific and more niche oriented. That way you'll be able to understand your pipeline, your contacts, and all your connections better than being just bulking the data into your CRM. So these are two rookie mistakes that you should be aware of before starting with the Freshsales platform. Take care. Bye bye.